Non-dissolving 0.5 gram of a non-volatile non-ionic solute to 39 gram of benzene. Its vapor pressure decreases from 650 millimeter Hg to 640 millimeter Hg. The depression of freezing point of benzene in Kelvin upon addition of the solute is. So given in the data we have molar mass and the molar freezing point depression constant of benzene are 78 gram per mole and 5.12 Kelvin kg per mole respectively. So in the let's move on to solution. So weight of solute is like half of gram. Weight of solvent is 39 gram. It is given in the question. So after that, delta P is the change in the pressure, that is 10 millimeter of Hg, and P naught is 650 millimeter of Hg, and PS is 640 millimeter of Hg. The values are given in the question. So after that, we will calculate the molecular weight of solute. That would come out as 64 gram per mole, as you can see here in the calculations. After that, as we know, delta TF is equal to KF into molality, so we will calculate the value of delta TF. That would come out as 1.0256 Kelvin.